Love is the expression of deep rooted divinity in man. It is nature, it's an inner emotion. When your true nature reaches a point of maturity, now it's not an expression, it's an explosion. Explosion of love is a bhakti. You become ecstatic, there is ecstasy, joy. This happiness is a climax. Bliss is the climax of your happiness. You are no more a character now. You are only a role. You have only a role. You are an actor. Just play. Krishna is a character. He plays through you. You can experience Krishna consciousness because his embodiment of love is a divinity. He is bhakti inside you.